Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Workday invalid password or invalid username. So first thing I suggest to do is go to these three dots on your website and then go to settings. Now in settings search for cache and then press on delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache and more. And then you can choose last hour or last 15 minutes. I think it's better to go for last 24 hours and then press on delete data. Another thing you might want to do is to access your Workday account, please reach out to your HR or IT department for a link to your company's unique sign-in page. And then you can ask Workday to make you a new username or new password, or to send you a URL to do this your own. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.